Hi guys, I'm Jay from JW Waters Plumbing and Heating, and today I'm here with the Professional Plumbing and Heating Installer magazine to test out some new products from Weld-on. The customer here has got a few problems with their waste pipes on their kitchen sinks, so we are going to go and rectify that. We have got the Weld-on 717 PVC. Now this is your standard solvent weld cement. There is an odour to this product, so for that reason today we are going to opt for Weld-on's 717 Eco, and it's perfect for using in confined spaces such as a kitchen sink or in a loft space. Now this dauber extends all the way to the bottom, which means you can keep the can perfectly vertical and you can get all the way around and you get everything out. It makes it much better value for money. It can become very difficult to get the lid off, and to save your hands, Weld-on have thought of that. The easy twist can opener fits onto the top of the can. You can hold it like that and very easily open the product. Another product we're going to talk about today is Weld-on's pipe repair wrap. Now you might go to a leak late at night. If you've got this in your tool bag, you can make a temporary repair by wrapping the pipe, knowing that you're leaving the customer leak free that evening. Here we've actually got a product from Christie's, which is a sister company, but this paired with the Weld-on range is going to cover you on all applications. So this product actually is for smaller bore pipe. Just before we get onto the application, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. So we're here today because the customer's had a few issues with a blockage in this section of pipe. So we're going to cut this bit of waste pipe out down here and we're going to renew it. So just going to cut the pipe over here. Make sure you shake it well before we apply it. And we're going to use our easy open tool. Look at the size of that dauber. Coat the inside of the fitting, both sides, all the way around. We're going to also use it on the pipe. We're going to put it onto the pipe with a little twist, and the same on this side. And I must say, the odour is very, very minimal. I'm just going to give it another test fit, just to make sure we've got a nice fall, which we do. I'm going to apply it onto the pipe like so. And also we're going to use it inside the fitting. A little twist. Wipe just for the excess. So when you're applying the product, you want to make sure you've got a nice even coat around the pipe and also inside the fitting. I'm just going to fit it back in. And now we've got one more elbow to glue. Really happy with this product. It's really easy to use, and yeah, it's something I'll be looking to use much more in the future. So now we're going to have a quick look at the Christie's Red Hot Quick Fix. Now it's suitable for up to pipes sizes of 25mm, so perfect for a condense fitting such as this. So this condense pipe drops down into the kitchen sink and I need to make a connection in there. For an application like this, the Christie's Red Hot Quick Fix is perfect. So the way we use this is we unscrew the cap like that, screw the lid back on the other way around to pierce the product. And now, as you can see, we can put it back on the other way, and now we can squeeze the tube and you'll see out comes the product. We now put it inside the pipe. We then can apply it to the pipe all the way around using the head, and then push and twist just like that. that is now set. So that means I can go and install the product without having to worry about anything moving or twisting. The side that we pierced it, we screw the lid back on, just like so. It's a great product and it perfectly accompanies the Weld-on range. We're now going to test out the Weld-on pipe repair wrap. This is obviously a little bit simulated because it's quite difficult to simulate a leak in someone's house. So we've got a pipe set up here which is under pressure. I am going to put a hole in it and I'm going to show you how good this product is. So we peel off the plastic and we are going to tear the wrap just like that. When you apply the wrap, you want to leave about an inch either side of your hole or split pipe. So as we apply it, we're going to pull it, we're going to wrap it, and it's really important that you keep that tension throughout the wrap. And as you apply, the wrap adheres to itself. So we're now going to put some pressure in this bit of pipe just to show how strong this pipe repair wrap is. That's 10 bar. So as you can see, a pipe repair wrap is handling 10 bar of pressure, which is far greater than you would have on a traditional heating system, and most incoming mains won't go above 10 bar. It's a brilliant product and I'll definitely have that in my tool bag from now on. So we've just had a look through the range, we've used some of the products. I love the fact that these have come in metal cans. There is also an option to have them in plastic, but I like the feel, and you sort of know it's not going to split or leak in your tool bag. I think this is a really innovative product, brilliant for opening your cans, and they've really thought of the installer in mind with this. We've got the Weld-on pipe repair wrap, and now you know why it's called the world's most trusted bond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.